How's it going, everybody? My name is Shondon Moore. I'm an environmental program specialist with Cobb County Water System. Today, I'm going to show you how you can participate in real scientific research in your own backyard using nothing but your smartphone and the iNaturalist mobile app. So, iNaturalist is an online social platform where people can upload and share observations of wildlife across the globe. In simple terms, I usually like to think of it as Instagram for nature enthusiasts. Instead of sharing photos of yourself or your pets, you're actually sharing observations of wild organisms that you encountered throughout your life. These can be anything: plants, animals, fungi, insects, birds. Any animal that you've ever encountered in your life that you've been interested in can be shared and most likely found on iNaturalist. All the observations shared on iNaturalist are automatically uploaded to its global database, where scientists, environmentalists, naturalists all around the world use for all kinds of biodiversity studies. And it's not just for scientists. That same database is open to ordinary people like you and me. So we can also figure out what type of wildlife live in our own cities and neighborhoods by accessing the database. So, the first thing that you're going to want to do is download the iNaturalist mobile app. It's available on both Apple and the Google Play Store. Once you download it, it's going to have you create an account. Like I said, it's a usual social media platform, so it's going to have you create a username, password, all the usual things. Alright, so here is my observation feed. As you can see, it's basically a nice little neat grid layout of all the observations that I've made on this demo account. So you can see right here, the other day I found this really cool marble salamander, really awesome find under a log. On your observation feed, at the bottom right corner, you'll see that there is a green plus symbol. That is how you post all your observations. So if you click that, you'll see that there are two major options. You can either take a photo or record a sound. Alright, so I found this really cool grouping of plants here. They look really beautiful, so I think I'll share an observation of these to iNaturalist. So I'll go ahead and click that green plus sign at the bottom of my feed and take a photo. Now that you've taken your photo, I can go ahead and show you how to upload your observation to iNaturalist. So after you take the photo, you'll see that you get a set of options. The first option says, "What did you see?" If you know what you saw, then you can just type it in yourself. But if you don't, like I do, then you'll click it and it gives you a list of suggestions. These suggestions are based off of the location of your phone. And so it looks at nearby observations that look like your photo. It also takes into account the shape and size and color of the organism. So I'm really going to focus on these first two observations, blue toadflax and Texas toadflax. And so you can scroll through the different suggestions to see if any of those photos match up with what you saw. So I really feel confident in blue toadflax. So I'm going to go ahead and click that as my answer. The next option is notes. This is only if you want to provide scientists or your peers more information. I found this in my front yard, so I'm going to click found in front yard. The next option is date and time. That's automatically uploaded, but you can change it if you want. So the next option you'll get is location. If you have GPS enabled, it'll automatically input that location for you. Location visibility, you have three options: open, obscured, or private. Open means that what the GPS logs on your phone is what's being displayed on iNaturalist. Obscured does not give a specific location, just the region. The last option is captive or cultivated. It's a checkbox. Captive or cultivated means that it'll let scientists know whatever observation you made was something that didn't get there through natural means. Before we wrap up here, I'd like to take one last minute to talk to you all about the City Nature Challenge. The City Nature Challenge is an international event where cities across the globe encourage people to get outside and make observations using iNaturalist. This is a great time to reconnect with the outdoors, to experience the healing power of nature, and help scientists discover and document new and existing species across our world. This year, the event will be taking place from April 24th to April 27th. Cobb County will be joining Fernbank Museum in Atlanta and other partners in documenting wild organisms in the Metro Atlanta region. I hope you'll join us in this effort. Thank you all for participating.